Hello everyone. So today we have almost completed 50 days of the lockdown and the counting is still going on. Today I am again with a very interesting topic in monetary policy, that is negative interest rate. What is negative interest rate? Suppose we take some money to deposit in the bank. Usually what we expect, that bank will pay interest to us. But in case of negative interest rate, bank will say 1%, but bank will charge 1%. It means you deposit the money in the bank and bank will take 1% from you. Basically you can say it's a storage cost. This concept of negative interest rate is prevailing in developed countries like you can say Japan, Sweden, Switzerland and US, because already their interest rate are near to zero. Currently Japan, Sweden, Switzerland is having negative interest rate. Usually bank reduces interest rate to boost the economy so that money supply increases, borrowers come to borrow the money because interest rate has reduced. So what happens in negative interest rate? If in these developed countries as the interest rate is already near to zero, if bank further reduce the interest rate, it will go to negative. Now how it will work? Let's see. There is a central bank, there is a commercial bank and there are customers. I'll discuss the first way. When commercial bank will have excess cash, that commercial bank keeps that excess cash with the central bank and central bank pays the interest. But in case of negative interest, when commercial bank will keep those cash with the central bank will charge interest. Definitely this will discourage commercial bank from keeping the cash to the central bank. कमर्शियल बैंक सोचेगा क्या फायदा सेंट्रल बैंक के पास पैसे रखे, इससे बेटर हम ये पैसे मार्केट में बोरो कर दे, उधार दे दे लोगों को, बिजनेसमैन को, इवन एट अ लोअर रेट, भाई और कम रेट पे, भाई इट्स बेटर ना टू गेट सम इंटरेस्ट रादर देन टू पे द इंटरेस्ट टू द सेंट्रल बैंक. And one more thing, when interest rate will be lower, more investors will come to borrow the money and they will invest in their business, they will expand their business, they'll generate employment and definitely that will boost the economy. So this is the first way. मतलब commercial bank central bank के पास पैसा नहीं रख के market में उधार दे रहा है. Now we come to the second way. Normal consumer customers, they have some surplus cash. They'll come to the commercial bank and say, I want to deposit this money. Now what will commercial bank say? Commercial bank will say, I will charge 1% for this. So again this will discourage the customer to deposit cash in the bank. Then what will that customer do with the bank, with the cash? He will invest that cash in his business or he will expend somewhere in luxury. Whatever it is, money is again coming back in the economy. So it is always गुड फॉर द इकोनॉमी. अगर वो बिजनेस में भी एक्सपेंड करेगा तो बिजनेस का एक्सपेंशन होगा, वो भी अच्छा है. और अगर वो कोई अपने पर्सनल आइटम पे भी खर्च करता है तो डेफिनेटली दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड. सो इन बोथ वे इट इज encouraging the economy, it is helping to recover the economy. Like you can say in the current COVID crisis, what is happening? Everyone is concerned about their future. They seems future is now very risky, so they are expending only on necessity. लग्जरी तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Many of us are not even expending in comfort. Now this is damage the economy further. अगर सब कोई अपने पास पैसे बचा के रख लेंगे तो how money will come in the economy? So here also negative interest rate works. Obviously in the developed country like US, not in India. तो जब negative interest rate हो जाएगा, they can't deposit the money in the bank because bank will charge interest. So what they will do? They will expend. So in this way it will work. I give you one example. There is a 2000 rupees note. If it changes 100 hands, it gives the value of rupees 2 lakhs. It happens generally. But in case of crisis like COVID crisis, what will happen? It started from one person and it changed hand 4 times. But the 5th person, when he received 2000 rupees note, he thought, नहीं यार सेव करके रख लेते हैं, हम इतना खर्च नहीं करेंगे. Okay, तो चेन बिगड़ गई, चेन वहां पे कट हो गई. सो इट इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग दैट वैल्यू. नाउ अगेन लिसन, वो 2000 रुपए का नोट जब वो पर्सन बैंक में लेके जाएगा, बैंक विल से आई विल चार्ज इंटरेस्ट. व्हाट ही विल डू? नो नो नो, आई डोंट वांट टू डिपॉजिट इन बैंक, आई विल एक्सपेंड, आई विल इन्वेस्ट इन द बिजनेस. तो व्हाट विल हैपन? अगेन दैट नोट विल कम बैक इन द इकोनॉमी and that will boost the economy. So this is the sole objective of reducing the interest rate even it comes to the negative. This discourages the savings and it encourages the investment and the expenditure. The only drawback of negative interest is, suppose there is a person having surplus cash, he will say, no, I won't deposit in the bank, I'll keep under my mattresses. मैं गद्दे के नीचे बिछा के सो जाऊंगा. But usually लोग ऐसा नहीं करते हैं because there is always a risk of robbery or theft. So people don't do this. Rather, the money will again come back to the economy. But definitely exceptions are always there. So this is the whole concept of negative interest rate. Simply, it's to encourage the investment and discourage the savings. Thank you so much.